Hey, welcome back. As you see, I'm here with my old buddy Wrenchy. Say hey, Wrenchy.
Hey, everybody.
And we're back on location here at the building site. Today we're going to look at a builder's level and also a sight rod. So we have two pieces of equipment here. And the first step will be leveling up our builder's level. What we're trying to do is see how much fill dirt we need. Now, as you can see over here in the corner, we have some water built up. And that is because that spot is lower than our benchmark, which is our starting spot here where you see we have our sight level attached. The first step in getting our builder's level set up is leveling using the bubble here.
Bubbles, I love bubbles, bubble, bubble, bubble.
As you can see, the builder's level can move all the way around. And it also has degree marks on top. Now that's good if, let's say we're trying to build or determine 90 degrees for a soccer field. Then we would put 0 to 0 and then turn it to 90. And we would know that those 2 points create 90 degrees for our field. But today we're going to use it for leveling. So we're going to set up our builder's level with our leveling screws. We see we get it level one way across 2 screws, then we turn it the other way and the bubble will come in to level. And then of course we're going to double check and then turn back the other way and double check again.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
Once your builder's level is set up, you don't want to hit it or touch it or have any people running around that could be careless. And you're going to move the scope with your finger so that you don't bump it in any way. If I was to bump it, now all of my readings are now going to be off because it is no longer level. So I have to be very careful once we get it calibrated. All right, let's look at the builder's rod. Some people call it a measurement rod or a sight rod. As you can see, I'm going to have Wrenchy holding it for me today, and he has a very important job because he has to hold it exactly straight up and down.
I'm essential.
If it moves either way, the readings will be off. Now, if we can come in a little closer, we'll see that this particular sight rod measures in inches. So a foot is going to, of course, have 12 inches. Some sight rods are in tenths of an inch, and they have 10 increments. So you'll have to decide which one you're going to get or which one will be necessary for your project. Okay? All right, let's take our first reading. We're back at our builder's level, and we're going to sight through and take a reading on the Wrenchy. Wrenchy, hold it straight.
I'm trying. It's really windy.
All right, using my focus knob, I'm going to focus in. Notice I'm being very careful. I'm going to sight through, and I see that our measurement is 5 foot 4 inches from the ground up. Okay? All right, as you can see, we've moved Wrenchy out to the second point, and we're going, Wrenchy, hold it straight. Hold it, no, straight to your left. Hold it right there. All right, 5 foot 4 inches. So we know that that is level. All right, Wrenchy, take the rod and let's move it down here to this corner.
Hey, Sharpette. I want to show you a drum beat I've been working on. Check this out. Oh, Wrenchy, you're so talented. Yeah, this is gonna be cool. Is this thing plugged in? wrenchy make beautiful music together. This girl's maybe more than I can handle.
Water area. Down here to the water area. Alright, Wrenchy, that's good. Wrenchy, you didn't have to get all the way in the mud, son. Geez. Alright, hold what you got. Hold it straight. Hold it straight. Alright, our final reading is 5'8", 5'8". We went from 5'4" to 5'8". So we know that we're 4 inches off grade. We know we're 4 inches lower in that spot versus this spot, so we're going to need 4 inches of fill, and we'll get that done. A lot of people, they'll get lasers to do this, and that's great. This will actually work too, but if you want to go the laser route, that's actually a little bit more efficient and easier to do. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a blessed day.
Peace out.